Hello, Dr. Ulrich. This is a week two YouTube video, and it is for the question is, do you think you can do play therapy through virtual? Um, I think you can. The reason why I think you can is because the same way, like I had school last night, class in San Diego, and what we did was we had four students here in San Diego and four in Upper California and Northern California, and everything worked out great. So what I think is that you can go ahead and you can have the child play with the toys. If the parents are there and they're in the room, then that can help because they can go ahead and make sure that everything's fine. Meaning, like if you ask the child to play with a toy or see them playing with a toy, and you want to know like, hey, why are you doing that with that toy? They can ask the child if they need to. Or maybe not even the parent. Just thinking about the parent might not be the best thing, but then they can get their attention to look at you. Maybe you just have somebody else in the room to direct their attention to you if you have to ask a question. So yes, I think that you can easily do it. Once again, though, you have to have the technology, which is money, and not all the school districts have a lot of money, so that's gonna eat up some money because the pieces aren't going to be so easy to acquire. They're going to be expensive. I'm pretty sure they're expensive with the cameras and the recorders and making sure everything's set up right. Um, so yes, I think you can uh, do it. It just might be hard if you don't have the money or the resources.